Today I'd like to introduce to you a multimedia presentation tool for our younger elementary school students. The program is called To Create a Story. To access this program, you're going to want to click 2 times on the Programs folder found on your desktop, and then go ahead and double-click on To Create a Story. Once into the program, you're going to notice several icons up at the top. The white page means that you're going to start a new project. The Print button allows you to print 4 slides per page, with half of them turned one way and half the other, so when you fold it, it actually creates a book. You can open up a project and save a project. Also, after you do a drawing, an undo button will appear next to the save disk. After that, we have the capital A, which helps us change our font, our size, and the color of our text. By clicking on the fish, this is what allows us to do the animations for each slideshow page transition. Students can click on each one and it will tell and it will also show what it actually does. And then the megaphone allows us to add sound. One neat feature of the sound is by clicking on the microphone, students can actually record their own voice, or by clicking on the piano, they can record their own tune and it will play. Finally, at the top, we have this green arrow, which allows students to play their story. This will play their story from the very beginning. At the bottom of the page, we also have a green arrow, slightly smaller in size, and this one is to play just the current page. You're also going to notice, besides the page number in the middle and the bottom, a trash can. The trash can will clear just the page you are currently on. So if students really like part of their project and they wanted to delete just one page, this is where they would go ahead and do it. So let's go ahead and get started. On the left-hand side, you're going to notice that I have several different markers to choose from to draw my picture. On the top, they are thick, and on the bottom, they are thinner. So let's go ahead and do a picture with some waves going on. And let's go ahead and also add a sun with a few rays. Now, you will notice up here that I have my undo button. One of the disadvantages is that it will only undo the very last thing that was done. So I can never undo several times to get back to something I did 4 steps ago. But I can undo my one, and now you'll see that that undo arrow is gone. I can certainly go down here and I can click on my thinner line. Maybe I'll add some smaller blue waves over here. And then if I come down to the bottom box, this is where I add my text. So maybe I will say, the sun is shining on a beautiful day. If I want to change my text, all I need to do is click on my A at the top of my page. Maybe I want to make it blue, and you'll notice it does it even without highlighting. I want to make it larger, and let's do Verdana as my font choice. One final thing that I can do is, if you notice right here, my mouse is on the edge on the bottom of the box, and it also works on the side as well. There are some colors that appear. This allows me to do a background color, so maybe I want to do it with a yellow. The one negative, I would say, to this particular program is that it does not have a paint bucket tool. So I could never just paint my ocean blue. Students would actually have to take the time to paint the whole thing. However, if you're printing and you're not printing in color, maybe it's not such a bad thing. Let's go up to my fish tool and add an animation for my page. Maybe I want it to shrink. And then let's go ahead and add in, since I'm doing waves, we'll add in the wave of the ocean. Once I've decided on my sound and my animation, this bottom play page button will show me what my actual page will look like when I play my video. So let's click and see. At the top, you'll also notice this red box if I wanted to stop it. Finally, over in the bottom right-hand corner, to go on to the next page, I simply just click the arrow and I'm ready to go. I hope that your students enjoy this program and that you've learned a few things along the way. Good luck and have fun.